Nestled discreetly in the rural landscapes of Pathanamthitta, the Hedge unfolds as a subtle masterpiece, comprising 3 bedrooms and a wealth of thoughtfully designed spaces. The facade, dressed in a pristine blank white, belies the richness concealed within. An homage to climatic sensitivity, the design is a symphony of elements aimed at ensuring comfort and harmony within. Meanwhile, on the ground floor, rust-red louvers create a visual tapestry, concealing courtyards that promise a secret world within. The first-floor balcony completes this choreography, forming a shield against the relentless westward sun, a testament to the meticulous attention paid to thermal dynamics. At the heart of this architectural marvel lies a central courtyard, a welcoming embrace that greets inhabitants upon entry. The first-floor overhang strategically shades the eastern half, offering a cool respite to the living, dining, and kitchen spaces, especially during the heat-drenched evenings. Large windows facing north and east open up the interiors to natural light and the promise of burgeoning greenery. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.